Hit it. Come on. Up, up. Good. Yes. Say hello. Say hello. Okay. So big. Let's go to Shenandoah. We're going to Loft Mountain Campgrounds.
Where is that?
Shenandoah National Park.
How many days are we staying?
Just 2 nights.
Just 2 nights?
Just 2 nights. We're gonna get there a little early today, so we'll get camp set up and kind of check all that out, make sure all of our gear works, make sure the dogs are comfortable. And then tomorrow we're looking at going, I think, what is it, Doyle's Falls?
Doyle Rolls.
Doyle's. Yeah. So we'll go check that out. Take the pups with us.
Thor!
This is something that we've talked about for a while, and I'm just glad we're finally doing it and we got time to do it. We got a lot of schoolwork to do while we're there, though, so we'll enjoy some of the scenery and some of the nature while still reading textbooks. So I don't know how fun that'll be, but we'll give it a try. See what it's like.
Gonna be so fun. I'm along for the ride. Really, that's what I'm here for. And to do homework. And to eat. I am excited for steak tonight.
Steak. Oh, no.
You did not forget the steak.
No, I remembered the steak. I didn't bring my special seasoning.
Well, we have to turn around.
No. Alright, so we are sitting in a parking lot because I forgot to pack a spatula, tongs, spices. But we got the dogs hanging out here. Say hi, Valkyrie. Yeah. Oh, hey. Where's Thor? Where's our boy? There he is. There he is. Got him out on the leash, hanging out, and stretch their legs a little bit. So, just waiting for Tori now. And I think that's her. Hold up.
Hi guys! I saved today. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I got you a red spatula. I was going to do teal, but I figured I wouldn't do that to you.
Appreciate it.
Not spatula. Whatever.
Tongs. Good job.
But I did also get a spatula.
Nice.
And then seasoning. It's not your seasoning, but it'll do.
We'll bring my seasoning next time.
It's gluten free.
Nice.
Nicholas, you didn't want to tell me that there were bears here?
I wasn't going to mention that, no.
We have doggos.
They'll be fine. Hey, Thor, knock it off.
Well, it does say make loud noises if you see a bear, so I think we're fine.
Yeah. Thor will take care of us.
He's our tiny bear.
curse on YouTube. Sorry, we'll do something cool. Like we'll put like a. You know what is gonna help this video actually? Watch this. Pro tip. Oh yeah.
When having dogs.
Yeah, this is gonna help.
Whoa,
Okay.
Oh.
So these are our dogs. This is Thor. This is Valkyrie, and they are inside dogs. They don't really go outside much. We don't really do much. Can you hold this? With them, other than play around outside in the backyard. But we wanted to take them out with us. I know Thor will like it. She's gonna take a little bit to get used to it. But he's 7. She's 3.
Gonna
Almost
be 3 in September.
Almost 3.
She's a Virgo.
We should flip the thing so we can see us. What's wrong with us? Yeah. Alright, so my name's Nick. I am in the Navy. I'm a U.S. Navy diver. And I've been in for about 13 years.
I'm Tori. I'm a personal trainer. I own my own fitness business, and I'm currently going to school to be a dietitian, and I'm also a professional fitness model through the WBFF. Yeah.
Also a veteran. That's how we met. We met in Guam while we were both stationed on the Frank Cable about 9 years ago. 9 and some change. I don't know if I'm cut out for the video, for the filmmaking industry.
Vlogging.
I'm originally from Pennsylvania, up near Poconos area. Mm-hmm.
Would you describe it as a vacation area?
Absolutely not. Describe it as
How would you describe Poconos as a local?
I really don't want to put this video as made for adults.
Okay, fair. I'm originally from Texas. Nothing really exciting. We moved around a lot. I've lived outside of Houston, outside of Austin, lived all over the DFW. Yeah. Edit here.
What? Listen, you say the gear, and I'll jump in. You're gonna do the truck stuff, and then as you say stuff that's wrong, I'll just put words on what it actually is.
I got this.
Yeah.
We have an iCamper tent, World 22.
World 22. Yeah, no, that's actually right.
On the Toyota Tacoma.
What kind of Tacoma?
Toyota.
Yep.
Tacoma.
Okay. Yep. No, you're right. That's all there is. Yeah.
The tent is setting on a rack that you purchased. I have no idea what kind it was. I know it was heavy.
You know it. Just say it. Just say it.
BMI.
Yep. Yep. That's right.
No, it's not. What is it?
No, you're good. BMI.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
We got this glorious awning from Walmart. We got it from Pickup.
From Pickup.
Yeah.
Okay.
We ordered it and we picked it up.
Yes. Beep. So I was trying to get a 4x6. They were out of the 4x6, so they gave us the 10x10 for the same price as the 4x6. So that's gonna be
I would not.
Beep.
Beep. I was not upset about
I'm
it.
pretty happy with the 10x10.
We also brought out here a tent for the dogs because we're going to be staying in our tent, but obviously we have a Great Dane. She's 140 pounds now?
I don't know.
150?
Might as well be 300. Come here. So we got this 3-person Ozark Trail tent to put our dogs in at night, but
and they have Thor has his own bed in there. Valkyrie has all of her blankets that she normally sleeps with. Mm-hmm. They'll be fine.
No.
Baby, I thought there was a bee.
No. Come on. I'm not going to tell you if there's a bee.
There's a bee near my foot.
Is it this bee you're talking about? That's a fly?
All right. Let me tell you about these chairs. Road Trip Rocket.
Road Trip Rockets. Yep.
But they do rock.
Yeah.
So rocket fits.
Yep. Road Trip Rockets. Yep.
We also have Seal Line waterproof bags.
That was good. Yeah. It was correct.
It was correct. I know for sure. Thanks.
Yeah. No, they work out great though. They're waterproof because we have the Tacoma and the dogs fit in the back. I mean, Valkyrie takes up like basically the entire back, so I have to put everything in the bed of the truck for us to transport. So having it waterproof, just in case it's raining on a drive or anything, is perfect. So.
I think that really covers all the gear you brought.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, everything else is, you know, little odds and ends stuff.
You can't.
Bat. Perfect. That's medium rare. That is perfect. You're eating that, and I'm eating this.
Oh.
Yeah. I'll give you the good one. Well, good morning. It is 6:53 on Wednesday, and I packed coffee beans with no coffee grinder. So now...
And the nearest coffee shop is 20 miles away.
Yep. So we have 2 plates with the coffee beans in it. And we're crushing them up.
Fresh ground coffee.
It's kind of working.
All right. I think that's it. So I'm gonna say it. It tastes like coffee off the mess decks.
Oh my God. Been an Instagram husband since...
Before Instagram was cool.
No. For what, 2013? Is that when we met?
First time.
I think 2015 is when I really started being an Instagram person.
Yeah.
What are you doing?